Have you ever experienced the majesty of Norway's fjords and picturesque landscapes? Step into the warmth and hospitality of the Norwegian people, deeply connected to nature and heritage. Savor the delightful blend of fresh seafood, hearty meats, and seasonal produce in authentic Norwegian cuisine. Norway landscape is breathtaking, characterized by majestic fjords, towering mountains, and crystal-clear lakes. In the fjords, countryside, charming villages, lush forests, and cascading waterfalls, inviting exploration and contemplation. The northern regions of Norway in winter, mesmerizing northern lights painting the night sky green, purple, and pink.